Hi, it's Dave here from Cleaning Doctor Sutton Coldfield and Tamworth with the first edition of my Cleaning Doctor Advice Clinic, and in the first episode it will be very brief, and the number one thing you should always remember if you have any kind of spillage on your carpet is never ever 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 scrub at it. Okay, so let's pour the first. Oh no! I've spilled some wine on my beautiful new carpet. This looks like it's been stain protected because it's sitting on top a little bit, but it'll soak in. Give it a second. There's one glass gone over. Oh no, the person sitting next to me has also spilled wine on the carpet. This incidentally shows you the benefits of having stain protection on your carpet, because as you can see, the water is sitting on top of the carpet. It is very slowly soaking in. So let's assume there's no stain protector on the carpet, but definite advantage to getting stain protection on your carpet because it buys you a bit of time. Okay, as you can see, this side is now soaking in. So, oh no, panic. This is what normal people, or a lot of normal people, would do. Get a sponge and quick, get it out. We need to get the stain out. Oh no, let's sponge it and rinse the sponge and scrub some more. Meantime, this one's soaking in. Oh, I think it's gone. I think we've got it. Nearly gone. Okay, right, now this is what you should do. Get yourself about a dozen layers of kitchen towel and blot and let it soak up into the towel. Now I will show you why in a minute. There is a definite method to my madness. This is soaking up quite nicely. Now, if this was wine or coffee or tea, you may need to use something to break down the tannins, but I'll come on to that in a later video. Okay. Now, as you can see, this is almost gone. Pressing down very hard. If there's a large spillage, you can just leave an old book on and leave it overnight to soak up, but for the purposes of this demonstration that will do. Okay, so here's the two sides of the carpet. This is the stain that we scrubbed at. This is the stain that we blotted. Now straight away there's an immediate difference. Also in terms of feel, that feels dry. This still feels damp. Now, the other thing to bear in mind is, if we look on the back of the carpet where we've scrubbed, we've actually pushed through to the back of the carpet whatever it was that was spilt. So there'll be red wine or coffee that has been pushed through to the back of the carpet, whereas we look on the other side, there's barely anything showing as coming through the back because we've blotted it all up. And finally, the most important thing, especially with the wall carpet, which might not be visible here, but if I tilt this at a slight angle, that is the side that we blotted. Now, this is the side that we scrubbed at. And can you see? The wall fibres have fuzzed, and you will never ever be able to reverse that. So even when this dries, you are still going to have a funny appearance where you've scrubbed at the carpet. So never ever scrub a carpet, always blot. Okay, so hopefully you've learned the reasons why we always blot a spillage and don't rub at a stain. Not only does it prevent you from pushing through whatever's been spilt to the back of the carpet and the underlay and making it a lot more difficult to remove, It also prevents irreversible damage to your carpets. So always blot, never rub. And I should be back in the next few days with another video with hopefully a bit more information that's useful to you. All right, thanks for watching.